My beloved child, I promise to grant the miracle you have sought. You will be healed from your illness and find wellness again. I am fully aware of the hardships you are enduring and the intricate challenges that seem to erode your spirit daily. I understand the pain of your ailment and the fear that it may not be surmountable. Be assured that you are not alone. I am with you always. I will not forsake you or leave you to face this battle without support. I have witnessed your tears and listened to your prayers. This is why I assure you today that healing is coming. I will perform a miracle within you, and you will see recovery. I know the anxiety and worry that cloud your thoughts, making you feel trapped in your suffering. Today, I implore you not to lose hope, not to waver in your faith. You are held securely in my hands, and I have plans for your health and happiness. Trust in my love. Let it envelop and comfort you. Maintain your faith and continue to pray earnestly. This is the key to unlocking the miracle you need. Do not be disheartened or allow despair to dampen your spirit. Resist the grip of fear and doubt. They are obstacles that aim to block your path to healing. Have faith in my power. Disregard the discouraging words of others, even when they come from professionals or statistics. Keep your faith steadfast and trust in me, for I am mightier than any ailment, capable of healing you completely. Let your heart rest in this truth. I am working in your life, and my timing is perfect. It may seem challenging to hold on to belief in miracles amid pain and suffering, yet I urge you to find peace in knowing that no illness is beyond my reach. It shall not overcome you, for my mighty hand rests upon you. I am here to heal you, to restore not only your body but also your soul and spirit. Let not your heart be troubled about the mechanisms of my workings. Do not fret over the timing, location, or manner in which my miracle will unfold. Simply rest in my love for you and allow my grace to work through your life. Open your heart to embrace the seemingly impossible and witness what I can accomplish. Remember, you are never alone in this journey. Even though my presence is unseen, be assured of my enduring love and the comprehensive plan I have tailored just for you, one that guides you towards health and prosperity. So place your trust in me and hold fast to the understanding that with me, all things are possible. No request is too large or too small for my attention. Just believe, maintain your faith, and I will enact a transformation so profound that your life will be irrevocably changed. Know that you are deeply loved. Never forget that I am always here to heal, to restore, and to empower you against all adversities. I will bless your household, your family, your children, and all that you undertake will prosper. Listen intently to my words. I recognize you as unique and precious, created in my own image.